to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to create blue smoky eye makeup tutorial. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friend. So without further ado, let's get started.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you all make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like we survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like we survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. You all make them just be alone. Like you survived under your spotlight.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. so can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. I know
So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you like my video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.